Here's what's tough about calling someone out for violating social distancing behaviors. It puts you in a seat of judgment. I'm judging them, and I'm judging their judgment about how they should be behaving. It puts me in a one-up position in the conversation, and it puts them in a one-down position in the conversation. That's never a good way to start a conversation. What you want to create is common ground. So here's how you do it. Start by saying something that creates a mutuality between yourselves, like, wow, this is such a crazy time. It seems like we're all being asked to do new things. When you start a conversation that way, you're creating a common ground. We're in this together and we're all experiencing new things. I think you'll find that's a much more helpful way to start a conversation about violating social norms. Thanks for watching. Visit cruciallearning.com/saythat for more tips and resources for how to speak up when it matters most.